going to unbox my CELINE bag, guys. Say goodbye to Teddy, everyone. You want to say anything, Teddy? You can bark. This, guys, is my first ever CELINE bag. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We got little Teddy here. And he's such a good boy. We only had him for like the last 5 days. He's already learned to sit on command. I can put the little video up there if you want to see it. And let me just look at him. Come, sit. Just look at his face. Good boy. So Teddy is still super calm. Even when we bath him, he's super calm. And yeah, he's such a good boy, Teddy. Such a good boy. He's probably still sleepy. It's relatively early. The little baby. We're currently training him to go on his pee pads. That's going better sometimes and sometimes not so much. So, but I mean, he's only 11. Yeah, 11 weeks old now. We got him at 10 weeks, so he's only 11 weeks old now. This little fur boy. And yeah, so his training is going well. I just don't want to let him run around here because he has a habit of like wanting to pee on carpet. So that's where the pee pads come in and the training. And this entire room is like the softest carpet. So I think if I'm gonna let him run around here, he might have a little accident again. Right, Teddy? So what are we going to do today? We are going to unbox my CELINE bag, guys. And I am super happy with my choice, and I know that I'm going to enjoy it so much during the summer and even in winter. And I know so many people said like it's more of like a boring bag, but I don't feel so. I feel it's such a beautiful bag. It's so practical. I think that's what I wanted to go for. If I have little Teddy like in one arm, you know, and then just a really comfortable, easy to wear bag on my other shoulder, then I can deal with that. So I think it's the perfect bag. Let me show you what I got. Say goodbye to Teddy, everyone. You want to say anything, Teddy? You can bark. You can whine when you want attention. Like, it's the worst when he's whining. Oh, it breaks my heart. It breaks my husband's heart. But obviously you can't run to him then, because otherwise he's going to learn that whenever he whines, somebody is coming to him and running to him. And that's not, das ist nicht Sinn der Sache. That's what we would say in Germany. So yeah, little Teddy. Look at his face. Okay guys, so I'm back. Just look at this. So it's actually nothing special. This dress, I don't know if you can see it. Here it has these little lace cutouts. It's super long, but it's really nice for summer, I think. And I got these pearls to go with the outfit today. Yeah, okay, let's get into the unboxing. They gave me this huge, massive bag, and it was actually quite difficult to carry it home because, as you know, like, I'm still recovering. I still have some pain going on, still have some things to sort out, but hey, okay, so it's a tiny box but a massive bag. They didn't have anything smaller that day. Okay, this, guys, is my first ever CELINE bag. And I think I made the right decision. I think I made the right decision for a first CELINE bag, to try out the brand, the quality, and let me know if you own anything from CELINE, any handbags from CELINE, and if so, which one, and how are they wearing? Like, is the wear and tear good? Yeah, let me know. Wait. Pressure doesn't want to come off. Okay guys, here we are. CELINE Paris. And this is how they packed it. It's nice. Ooh. Oh, that's real life. Accidents happen. I don't cut them out. Okay, so here we have the dust bag. It's a nice dust bag. It's quite thick, the material. Okay, are we ready? I know a lot of people have guessed in my shopping vlog video which one it is. Now is the time if you still want to put guesses in. But many people were actually right, and I think that just tells me I made the right decision. Hello, beauty. I don't know what it is, guys. I loved black in the past, and 80% of my wardrobe is probably still black. But recently, I love white. I just love white so much. So look at this. This is the CELINE Tilly bag in the white shiny calf skin with gold hardware. It comes with silver hardware as well. However, you guys know me. Of course, I go for gold. I think it looks a lot more sophisticated, elegant. The silver on white looks a little bit more edgy, in my opinion. Ooh, guys, I still have pain. I still have pain from time to time if I like bend down, if I sit for a long period of time. Yeah, this is the beautiful bag, and I was able to compare to. They had one bag where, you know, the piping wasn't as I wished it would be. So I chose this bag because the leather was absolutely perfection. The symmetry of the bag, the stitching was perfection. However, this one didn't have its sticker on anymore. So I need to go over with a little polishing cloth there. And there we can see it. Like I tell you guys, whenever you buy a bag, check all the stitches everywhere on the back, on the handle, on the flap. Check the piping. Look how beautiful the piping is. Can we see that? Okay, let's try this baby on. This is gonna be my easy grab and go summer 2024 bag. Like I said, winter probably as well. If you guys remember my unreal fur coat, like I have the snow leopard unreal fur coat, and it's gonna look awesome with this bag. So you have an adjustable strap. I tried it on in the boutique, and I like to wear it on the last one to have basically the longest possible strap. Oh, and there it even says, can we see that? CELINE on the hardware as well. The details, guys. So let me get that in there. And then we push this bit up, this leather bit says CELINE as well. Et voila, there we go. Then it's all safe and secured. And guys, okay, wait. So, I don't know. I love it. I love white recently so much. I don't know why. I really don't know, guys. It just gives me happiness, peace to just wear white. Then I can get the chair out of the way, and here we are. Let me know, do you like it? Did I make the right decision? You guys know I was thinking of either getting the leopard Tilly bag or the white. They have so many beautiful, like my SA made me try on every single one of them. They have so many beautiful Tilly bags in the classic monogram, in like a yellow monogram, and just the baby blue, and in black obviously, and yeah, here we have the white. So I don't know, guys, I love it. What can I say? It goes with everything, I would say. You can wear it with black. I know I have to be a bit careful with color transfer, obviously. I have only 2 white bags in my collection. Cream, white cream, like the Bvlgari Serpentine top handle and the Ferragamo Gancini top handle classic. And this is my 3rd white bag. So yeah, I think I will wear it most of the time with light colors to not worry about like it rubbing against my body and color transfer and everything. But like you can wear it with beige, you can wear it with black if you know that, you know, there's no color, no dye coming out of the fabric. You can wear it with anything. I think brown, neutrals for sure. Probably even with pink and stuff, but let's say neutrals because that's easiest to style. I'm going to show you modeling shots as well, but for anybody who wants a close-up and for anybody who wants, so it has like a gold zipper as well, which is really nice. For anybody who wants to have a look inside, it's just one, can we see it? Wait. It's just one compartment. And it has a little slip pocket here for cards or, yeah, cards I guess. Okay guys, so everybody always asks me if I'm already wearing my Gucci platform shoes, and I'm not. I haven't worn them out a single time yet because, yeah, of all the surgeries, right? And I really don't want to while I'm still in pain and while everything is still healing and I don't know the next steps yet. And, you know, I still have to have my follow-up appointment and, like, I don't want to break my ankle, basically, or hurt myself in any way by wearing these, because I guess it's gonna need training as well to walk on them, like, comfortably and without thinking. So yeah, I haven't worn them yet, but I still love them very much and I can't wait to wear them, you know, under different circumstances in a different parallel universe. I'm already wearing them happily every single day. So I still love them. Look how beautiful they are, and they give you so much height. This is the entire outfit. Now you can see it properly. Love this dress. It's so, I don't know, it's comfortable but chic. It's just like an easy dress to throw on. Nothing special, but it still looks like something, you know. So yeah, this is the bag, and yeah, I just love it. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. What can I say? Let me know. And it looks like box calf, right? It really looks like white box calf leather. It's shiny calf skin though. But the effect is the same. It's just really, really pretty. Let me see if I can show you in the daylight. So, can we see the texture? There. There, we can see the texture. Yeah. Hello, Teddy. Yeah, hello, Teddy. Hi, baby.
Teddy?
Ooh, hi, baby. He loves this lamb chop the most, right?
Oh, he's in his cage at the moment.
Yeah, he loves his lamb chop the most. Teddy, sit. Good boy. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, hi, Crumble. What you doing up there? Hoopla. Yeah, hi. You know how beautiful you are? Oh, thank you. Crumble here is a little climber. He loves to jump on everything. Crumble, look at me. Hi, Crumble. This is Crumble, cutie pie. And Crumble is the one that usually zoomies a lot more than Crumble. He's always got so much energy. His zoomies in the evening are so entertaining. It's not that they don't have their own toys. Yeah, it's cuddle time. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here because we all do have the same luxury disease. Yes, we do. And I see you guys again very, very soon. Bye!